Okay, I should be live on YouTube. And Twitter, I have started Twitter. Let's see if it's live or not. Okay, YouTube stream is up. Twitter stream is also up. Let me just. Okay, so we are gonna change this because let me just adjust the thing. Okay, that's done. Okay, everything is in order now. Let me just. We're just gonna start. We are yesterday we are trying to deploy and test right on testnet, and we were getting some error. Let's run it and see again. Npx hard hat run script deploy and test on testnet.js. Okay, that's the issue. Maybe let's remove the ethers part. We'll just console log the balance because I don't think there is any. Okay, there might be issue with validator address because we are not getting validator address. Yes, let's go back now. I want to check. Let me. So the issue here it says is invalid byte like value deploy on testnet util data error. Value undefined. Can we at least console log this and see if we are getting correct thing? Console.log validator first validator from validator set. Hopefully we should get a console log and then we can figure out where the actual issue is. Okay, we are just gonna keep running it because I tried to decode this value yesterday, if you remember, and we are not able to. So it's issue with estimate gas. So maybe that's the okay. We have this. So I guess we are doing fine till this point. Now we want to check why this is throwing an error. We are fetching this correctly. Const validator add no validator equal to, we have this console.log as validator value string or not, is validator value string. We are just gonna say type of validator equal to string. We'll look at that. At this point we are getting error here. Liquidstaking.connect set validator. Okay, why didn't we get the console log? We got this. Okay, let's just type of validator variable I know the idea. I should figure out what this error is. I'll ask this team, but right now I'm just gonna. Okay, I don't understand now. This is correct. That's what we want, right? Liquid staking, set validator, call data string. Everything is correct. Then why the call keeps failing? What happens when we do this? We don't set the validator. Anyway, validator is not necessary for deposit, so we can comment that out. Okay, now there is nothing that should throw an error like this. Okay, let's see at least everything works properly or not. I'm just gonna comment those things out and run it again. Are people watching today? I guess people are from Germany, Spain, India. Everyone is on their PC and on YouTube. Yes, there is no one watching. Okay, let's execute it again. We don't need mainnet, we need testnet. Okay, we have enough. Now that's done. Let's try this. Okay, there is no issue there. Okay, maybe we have issue with validator address. Can we do rest then? Okay, I guess I am the dumb one who doesn't know how to read values from contract with ethers. I do know how to do that with Foundry scripts. So yeah, let's see if we get same error here. If that's the case, that I'm doing just like basic read function wrong, then I should just like take a break. Yes, I should take a break. Okay, let me copy this. Copy. I should have spent some time on learning ethos instead of just spending a lot of time on Foundry. And yeah, also my goal was to be like a smart contract developer, so I can't really say that I did something. Do we have that? Yes, we have format. No. I also want to work on a library. Okay, this is regular error that we are getting. Also, let me show you something. CNTSC GitHub. Yeah, so this library, my younger brother wrote it, and I want to like full. I want I want like a better tests and all those things here. I'm gonna try that on stream also, but not after this. After this, I'm gonna talk about what's that across network and open intent framework. ERC 76 something. Do we have that? Not, yes, 7683. So that's the next topic after our deployment is done. Okay, let's go to say trace. No, address of LST. We want this. State say. Okay, we have the supply. big number string. Do we have a function on this to? No, we don't. ChatGPT is suggesting okay, can we just say balance instead of doing all those things? Hopefully that won't throw an error. If it does, like, that's ridiculous. Okay, not the error we were expecting. Yeah, you see, we have balance of 0.001. Okay, no, it just says 0. Let's try to run it. What's the type this returns? Okay, it doesn't return anything. Anyway, let's see what error we get. We don't get an error. Ethers read balance of ERC20. And not mess up the decimal point. Okay, format units we can use. Ethos dot format units balance, then 18 units, also console dot log lst and deposit amounts are same. Amount equal to big int balance. Hopefully that's correct. Okay, how many questions do they have? Yeah, should I just like create these things? Simple snippets. False. Why? Signer. We know it has balance. We are definitely not wrong. Okay, let's change that. You see, we have the balance. Okay, all, yeah. we just have multiple ERC20s. We have our native C address, that's great. Let's see, transaction from to token minted. Token transfers. What is the static call? Okay, anyway. It does say we have this. Okay, then why are we not able to read the thing? It doesn't format. It says 0.0. Okay, we just have to experiment and see what's happening. So again it says false, we have zero balance. We are getting, let me check. I'm now doubting everything. Open Zeppelin contracts ERC20. I don't know why I'm checking this. ERC20. Now we have IERC20 balance off. That's correct. You see, can we at least get total supply and console log it? Total supply equal to await stake say dot total supply, then say staked total supply of stake say equal to total supply. Let's see what we get. We should get something useful, because we know it's working properly. We can see that on the Explorer. What should we do? What should we do? 5 seconds. Let me try something. Yeah, I know that's not ideal, but what if I add like a delay of 5 seconds? Maybe that's an issue with the RPC. where everything is correct, but RPC. You see, damn RPC. It's it was not our issue. It was issue with RPC where it was not getting updates quickly enough. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Let's push. No, we need to remove this. Now we have the main issue. Okay, this part. Control Z, copy, remove this. We don't need it, and we're gonna say balance. We are getting error from this. On our local network. Okay, this is could not decode the reason. Let's run it again, and till then let's go and find the token address, LST address. Coin transfer, internal calls, invalid, back prefix expected. See, okay, we are just sending the wrong thing. Valop. Let me open quick node. Say Cosmo. Yeah, then why we are not getting this in the regular thing? Copy. Let's open this and not Pacific. We are using Atlantic, right? Atlantic. Will this work? Yes, it works. Valop. Okay, we are just setting things wrong. That's the part. I didn't know that. Let me where response validator. Okay, instead of validator, first entry from validator set. We'll check that. What, at least what we are reading, will know. Is it slash latest? No, we can't do this. Control X. And now we should get something out. I don't know where I found that. Let's just console log the whole data. And what was our endpoint? Yeah, this is something wrong. What I'm seeing here is different. Validators. Okay, so we can just change. I was querying the wrong RPC. We have val operator address, and now everything should pass correctly. If at the end we don't get reason, invalid back prefix, then we have resolved our issue. Okay, now what's the problem? Let's go at the top. Validator address. Okay, no, we are console logging. No, we are not console logging it now. I want to console log it. Type of is correct. Okay, yeah, we are still setting the wrong address. validators, then we are getting the first object and validator address, operator address. So what's the issue? Give me a second. Okay, yeah. So we did back to the issue. We did figure out our problem, but now we can't console log the validator address for some reason. Okay, let's just try to log something. Whatever is there, we are gonna log it and see why we have this issue. Oh, so wrong formatting. Ethers dot to UTF-8 string. Okay, don't tell me. No, we are still gonna get the error. It say if variable is bytes array, a hash address or a raw binary data do not use. Okay, use ethers dot hexlify. Okay, but it's not. That's the problem. Let's try to console log just data. Okay, now we can't even like. Let's try to open that in on C trace. Oh, sorry. I read the thing wrong. It's not saying our validator address is correct. Delegation with delegator address this not found. So we figured out, I at least understood the issue. We are checking if total supply is 0 and we are returning 1, but when we want this exchange rate, like if supply is not 0, we are saying go and get the delegation, but there is no delegation there. Let me copy our wallet address. Okay, I should have read everything correctly instead of spending so much time on a wrong thing. Say no, liquid staking address. Let me open it. Yes, you see this part. We are having issue where we are checking if balance is not 0, but we also want to check if we are delegated at least once. So let's go at the top. I have only one idea in mind where we are just gonna set, will have a function, not function, a variable called delegated, which is boolean, and first time when we delegate it will set, it'll be set to true. If not, it'll remains false, and if both conditions are not true, then we'll return the exchange rate as 1. State variable, we're gonna say boolean private staked or not. Okay, delegate if not okay, now we here we want like this will be false and it will be true. Okay, instead of that we are gonna say not staked equal to true. Let's go here. false. Okay, and not staked. Let's see if we do this correctly or not. Probably not, but anyway, let's see. Oh, on YouTube, some people are watching. Let's see. Let me check on Twitter. Okay, are we still console logging data? No, we are not. Then what's up? Okay, someone was watching you for 10 minutes on Twitter. That's great. On YouTube, I don't know if I get the graphs. 97. Okay, let's just console log the error for now and see what error we get. This part is error in parsing the error data. We don't want this. Call exception. So this one is I don't know. Let's try to run it again and see if it works. Probably it won't. Custom error. Let's see. Do we have a failed call? No, we don't have one. So what changed? Everything here we are doing correctly. Liquid staking. It gets deployed correctly. Can we open it? Yes, we can. Now we want to check logs. Yeah, default role we are setting. Details. Everything is as expected. Okay, let's try to run it again. If not, we're gonna stop the stream and resolve that tomorrow. Okay, could not decode the reason. When we want it, we can't see the reason. When we don't want it, it tries to decode it. Okay, let's run it again and see. Also, if anyone here by chance working at a company who needs DevRel or has opening for Solidity developer, please let me know. Okay, it's just logic error. We'll fix it tomorrow. Yeah, I guess that's it for today's stream. I hope you liked it. Uh, we spent time debugging today, not very productive in a sense, like it was not learning. I was just trying to figure out this thing. Anyway, tomorrow we are gonna figure this out and see what happens. Then, yeah, that's about it. If you guys are watching on Twitter, please do follow me and like the stream. Like the stream in the sense, like the tweet where I announced the stream, and just like all of my tweets. Anyway, if you are watching on YouTube, do like and subscribe. It helps a lot. And go on both of those platform and do those things. What else? What else? Yeah. Tomorrow's topic you already know. We will get this thing over with as soon as possible. Like this error, not this series. Series will take some time. But hopefully I'll see you guys here tomorrow, same time. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.